Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by gathering only what drives the scene: reference photos, a route map, and target duration. Next, set project settings, 24 FPS and 1920x 1080 to match broadcast safe 16:9. Create a production folder and import assets: locomotive models, track pieces, station props, and ambient sound effects. Once done, block a rough layout in your timeline and place key assets on separate layers so you can iterate quickly and keep rendering predictable. You now build movement, model a simplified train, or import a proxy to keep viewport performance high. Animate broad strokes first, position keyframes for the journey, then add wheel rotation and subtle suspension bobbing. That gives believable physics without heavy sims. Set your camera path to follow the train with 2 or 3 cuts and use constraints or inverse kinematics for couplers and pantographs. Once the motion reads well, bake animation to remove dependencies and prepare clean geometry for shading and lights. You finish by dialing lighting and render passes. Start with an H-dry sky, add a directional sun key and warm fill to cell depth. Render in separate passes: beauty, depth, motion vectors, ambient occlusion, and specular, so you can tweak everything in comp. In compositing, integrate motion blur, color grade, and add layered sound design to match wheel cadence and station ambience. Export a master with an appropriate LUT and a high bitrate codec. Troubleshoot: if motion artifacts appear, re-render motion vectors at full precision and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.